Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. Here on the daily time frame, we can see that the price is still holding above key support. So our support area on the daily chart, which is relevant for the overall uptrend, the larger bullish structure, is defined between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents. It's been on the chart for the last few months. I mean, that hasn't changed. The analysis is very consistent and the wave count as well with what we were tracking before. So hopefully that helps you to understand the stability of the structure, or what are the stable elements on the chart. And the stable element is between 9.8 cents and 16.7 cents. There's usually a reason why I show you support levels on the larger time frame as well, because if a first micro support on the 1 hour time frame breaks, it can lead to a test of the support area on the daily chart. It's just the main risk area, meaning that only a break below this area at 9.8 cents would indicate that the larger bullish assumption here might need to be revised. But we need to give these prices, we need to give these charts a little bit breathing space, yeah? We need to account for the up and down movements in markets, and also consider that especially in the crypto space, we get a lot of volatile movement, so we have to give them a little bit of space. And for now, there is absolutely no evidence that the correction that we were tracking, which is a wave 4, is over. So it might extend either a little bit lower more directly, or in a wider ABC structure. At least from a daily chart point of view, it's worth to prepare for that. Overall, however, as long as we're holding above 9.8 cents, the next move up is expected to reach 49 cents, maybe even 66 cents. This would be my target, but I don't see a very clear pathway higher yet. At least on the micro level, and we are going to take a look at that in a minute, there is no very clear high probability setup that would tell us the next move up has started. There's just no momentum, and we need a little bit more evidence, and we can see that on the smaller time frame, which we will check out now. And you can see here on the smaller time frame that after this drop, this initial drop that happened and bottomed on the 3rd of February, the price has recovered quite a bit. I'm tracking this as a possible wave 1. In the white scenario, we could now be in a wave 2. The microstructure here is quite uncertain, I would say. There are different potentials how this correction can unfold. But if you're familiar with Elliott wave analysis, then you will know that the actual micro counting, or let's say trying to understand the actual microstructures within a correction, and the wave 2 is a correction, it's often not so productive. So let me explain. We have from this swing low on the 3rd of February an initial reaction to the upside, yes, which was followed by a corrective pullback, which is characterized by a lot of overlapping and messy price action. So the thesis would be that upside continuation will follow, and it can actually find, and the price might be able to find support in this area here between 19.5 cents and 23.6 cents. But for now, there is no evidence that the price has found any support. We talked in previous updates about the very first signal level, which is located here at 24.8 cents, which needs to be broken to the upside to indicate the next rally has started, or a rally of sorts. Now, the price has not yet broken above this level, as you can clearly see. More important is actually the swing high that occurred here on the 4th of February, or actually, it's probably the one that occurred, here at the top at around 28.2 cents. This is going to be the main level. The price needs to break above this level because it is the top of what would be wave 1 or wave A. And from an Elliott wave point of view, a break above this level confirms that wave 2 or wave B have bottomed, okay? At the moment, we don't know if this is a B wave pullback or a wave 2 pullback, but either way, there is no confirmed low in place until we see a 5-wave move up that breaks above initial resistance. That could be either 24.7 cents for an early signal, for a more substantial signal, a break above the 28.2 cent level. Either way, whatever happens, the price must hold above the 78.6 retracement to keep the directly bullish expectations alive on the smaller time frame. Any break below 19.5 cents would likely lead to a test of the larger support area, which I shared with you on the daily time frame. Yeah, that's the update about HBAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.